In the heart of every home lies a world of possibilities for solid and engineered wood componentry. In Quanex's Custom Components division, we believe that every detail matters, and we have built a legacy of craftsmanship spanning decades as the premier supplier to the kitchen and bath, fenestration, and millwork markets. With facilities located across the United States, processing over 50 million square feet of hardwood lumber and engineered materials per year, we are proud to be the largest producer of customized components in the country. Our commitment to excellence resonates in every component we create. From kitchen cabinet doors, assembled drawer boxes, and interior millwork, to storage accessories and window grills. But we can produce more than just kitchen cabinet components, millwork, and window grills. With a product portfolio that is unmatched in the industry, we create the total package for quality wood building components. With both just-in-time and truckload volume manufacturing capabilities in our 11 manufacturing plants from Oregon to Pennsylvania. We are a one-stop shop that has the scale to produce any sized order. With multiple locations across the U.S., we can make what you need, where you need it. Our expertise goes beyond traditional solid wood products. With a mastery of crafting from MDF, veneered panel products, and profile-wrapped components, we bring an expansive palette of possibilities to your fingertips, ensuring your vision is realized down to the finest detail. In Quanex's Custom Components division, we don't sell out of a catalog. Every product that leaves our facilities is specifically designed and built to our customers' exact specifications. With the capacity and comprehensive in-house research and development services, we work with your designs to dovetail manufacturability and cost. We transform your ideas into reality. Let's build smarter together. Quanex, where innovation and inspiration come together to craft dreams, one component at a time.